All right, this next set for the tier list is gonna be an interesting one.
Yeah, I don't think I've actually listened. Like I've obviously heard this song before, but like not knowingly listened.
Most Irish dancers will say it is a very common tune to hear in the halls. It's a very long set along with it, so a lot of the very like advanced competitively inclined dancers also were like, sweet, I can dance on the stage longer. It's got some cool notes to it, so it got played a lot in the first couple of years, and it's still very popular to this day. So that's the step. So it's gonna do it 2 more times because you get your intro and then you get right foot and left foot.
Okay.
So,
I do like it.
Yeah, but it's got a good like slope at the end of the tune. You can kind of hear it like wrapping up, which is kind of nice.
This one's not like sassy. What was the sassy one?
Rainbow Break.
I love the sassy one. Oh, yep, love that. The set part is the best. I love the set. The set is so good. I would maybe put this top of A.
Top of A. So some people would actually put this in the no category
Why?
because of how overplayed it is.
It's
So that's interesting.
got-
Someone who's never heard it before, like,
Yeah, I
thinks
love it. It's great. It's the best one. I think it's the best one I've heard.
And I'll say, yeah, like, okay, A, the big thing is it's such a long set, so of course people are gonna gravitate towards
Yeah.
it. But it's a good tune as well, a lot to play with.
It's a great tune.
Of course people are gonna pick it. Of course it's gonna be overplayed.
Right. What other jigs do we got?
3, okay, so Vanishing Lake is over here.
I don't know. I think I might like Rambling Rake better just because it's like a little sassier, but I love the set part of Vanishing Lakes. I think I like Rambling Rake better.
I'll fall to your opinion in this because I have such a weighted opinion. I have such an angle on this
You
set.
don't like it?
This was the set that won me a world title.
Oh, so you like it?
I like it. I love it.
Okay,
So I have an angle, so I'll weight it more towards your opinion.
I think it goes.
I kind of waited to mention that whole detail.
Below Rambling Rake, but above Wandering Musician.
Okay, we'll do it. We'll take it.